Purchasing the FX with the automation has been a really good investment. It has enabled us to regrind tools lights out basically. So in effect we've got another machine, or we've gained another person as well. I've only got one pair of hands. With the RFID automation, this enables me to be running a machine without actually being there, which frees me up to do other things. It's nice to go home at the end of the day knowing that the machine is still running, and then I'll come in the morning and yeah, the tools are all ground. My name is Michael Wilson. I work for Carby Tool here in Moorabbin. My role here is production supervisor and also regrind specialist. I've been in the regrinding industry for 25 years now. Carby Tool is very well known in Australia for its woodworking tools. They're compression cutters, they're router cutters. About 5 years ago that Sutton's acquired Carby Tool. We moved the regrinding department down here, which I'm fully responsible for. So with the knowledge of tooling from Sutton's and of Carby Tools, this has enabled us to regrind, reservice all major brands of cutting tools. All the tools that Sutton's manufacture, I regrind them, and any specials, customer requirements, I manufacture those as well. We pretty much do the whole lot down here. Yeah, there could be anything, and anywhere in Australia as well. So if a customer has tools that they need regrinding, they can contact us and we will collect those tools, or we'll use couriers, send couriers to go and pick them up and deliver them here. The tools will then get assessed, booked in. Once that is done, the regrinds are reground on Anchor 5-axis CNC machines. Once the tools have been reground, they are then packaged up and returned to the customer. Or another division that Sutton Tools has is the surface technology, where we can recoat the tools and then send them back to the customers. Brand new tools. Previously what we've had to do, where regrinds are concerned, is they would either get hand loaded during the day, so you can regrind one tool. You can write the program for the next one while that first one is grinding, and then put the next one in. But it's a process that requires someone to stand in front of that machine pretty much all of the time. But just recently we purchased the Anchor FX7 with a RFID automation package. And I believe this is the first one that has ever been done on the FX7 in Australia. It's very clever. It enables us to basically load up to 88 tools and have the machine run lights out. Pretty much just press go and walk away. The reason I can walk away from this machine is because it does everything that I used to have to do while I was standing in front of it. I need to let the machine know what tool it is it's going to be regrinding. So the way that we do that is we use tool carriers. Now inside a tool carrier there is an RFID chip. Now that chip is linked to a program that I've written for that specific tool that is going into the carrier. I pre-program the RFID carriers off the machine. This enables me to have tools being ground on the FX7 while I'm getting the next pallet ready of tools to be reground. As the carriers are individually programmed, and it doesn't matter what collet size is required, I'm able to load the tools in any order I want to, with no worry of the tools getting mixed up with other customers. The way that I can do that is by adding additional notes to the carrier as to who the tooling belongs to. The FANUC robot's really clever. So the FANUC robot will first of all pick up the carrier. We'll then scan the carrier. Now, through scanning the carrier, it has worked out what program is to be used to regrind the tool, what wheel packs are to be used to regrind the tool, or what collet is to be used to regrind that tool. Once the machine has read that chip, the FANUC robot is able to change the collet in the collet adapter if required. It will change the wheel packs, and it will then remove the tool from the carrier and do everything it has to do. While this process is going on, the FANUC robot will pick up another carrier and read that one, and it will keep going until it runs out of the carriers. Once the pallet is being completely reground, I'm able to take the pallet out, take the carriers out. I can rescan that carrier, and the information in the carrier will tell me which customer that tool belongs to. So it really doesn't matter what order I've ground them in, or even if I'm not in for that day. Anyone can go up to that and scan the carrier and find out who the customer is. So we pride ourselves on the quality of the regrinds, but also I feel it's important to the customers that they have a quick turnaround of the tools. So general turnaround for tools here, regrinds, if they're uncoated, we can 3 to 5 days is what I'd pretty much say. But if we need to recoat these tools, then probably 7 to 10 days. If we do finish all of the regrinds, we can then move to manufacturing of solid carbide cutting tools. If we've got a pallet that can hold 88 tools, when we've only got 50 tools to regrind, those next 30 tools we could be manufacturing. If I'm to do that, we don't have to change anything. The benefit to the customer would be that they will get a quicker turnaround of the tool, which is great for them and great for me. Well, we've stuck with Anker machines forever, as far or for a long time. The working relationship between Anker and Sutton's Carbitool is really good, a real close one. And it's great that we're able to try out this new technology before anyone else does.